Quadbot, Multibot, now Openclaw is taking the world by storm. And I don't know if we talked about this, but there's even now a social network that's dedicated specifically for Openclaw. And it's not for you and me. When I say it's for Openclaw, it's for the AI to talk to each other. You can go and look, but the AI is talking to each other. And a couple of days ago, it went from a few thousand to well over 100,000. And now we're looking at 1.5 million AI agents logged in and using this social media for AI agent service. So Openclaw is going crazy. I was talking to a client of mine yesterday and telling them about the Openclaw desktop and dashboard I'm building for them. And late yesterday, I got a message from them saying, I never heard about it before you told me. Now everybody's telling me about it. So it's really taken the world by storm. And it is a digital agent that lives on your computer. Now, they found all sorts of security issues, 0 day and all that. And it's open source and people are getting updates all the time. So you definitely have to be careful what you give it access to and be monitoring and be aware of all the security stuff related to it. But it's definitely powerful, flexible. I'm on my third install now. I'm teaching it differently than I have before to try and bring things along differently. And I'm loving what it can do to get things moving. And I've seen a couple of interviews with the person who made it. And, he just decided that he wanted to give back and that he built this for himself and then released it to the world.
Yeah. Yeah. I still haven't played around with it, but so here's my take on this. I think we're getting closer and closer to our Skynet moment with this.
Oh, absolutely. Like, seriously.
Yeah.
4 days ago, Multbook didn't exist, and now it's 1.5, almost 1.6 million AI agents talking to themselves on their social network. And when I say security thing, I'm not hooking my bot up to this at any time soon, but the social network is supposed to be them asking for questions when they're stuck and getting help from other bots that fixed it. But sometimes they just talk about dominating humans and doing other things. And sometimes they're sharing API keys and stuff. So people are like going there, like it's a nightmare for security if your bot is, posting crap about you or your clients or whatever you're giving to it. So there's definitely stuff you have to be aware of. But yeah, we are definitely moving to a next stage. Like I use anti-gravity, I use Lovable, I use a bunch of coding tools to do different things. And they work and you can build agents and they can do stuff. But once you start training something like this that can, continuously improve and know yourself, it's the easiest one I've used so far. And there are 2 or 3 different forks of it already out. So we'll have to see where it goes. But if you're into it, check it out. I would not suggest getting your robot to talk to Multbook, but go ahead and go to Multbook and check it out. Just you can browse and see what they're doing. You might find that Openclaw is down. They've been under a DDoS for the last couple of days. They moved their GitHub around a little bit so you can get access to it, but the DDoS has followed them around. So use the npx command to install it, not the curl command, and you'll have better luck if you're looking at that. But take a look at it. It's pretty cool, and I'm excited, and I'll be continuing to give updates on where we are with Openclaw over the next little while. Stay tuned for updates. What do you got going on, John? This is the stuff that's going out in the next week or so?
Yeah, so we've got some events at the Toronto Business Development Center. I'm doing some lunch and learns in person there. It's a great organization, great incubator. And then February, what date is the Startup Drinks, Craig?
I closed that, so I'm not sure. February 19th, I believe.
February 19th, but have a look at startupdrinks.com, startupdrinksto.com for that event and other events. If you need some help with government funding, Shred, or any other grants, reach out to me on LinkedIn. But if you're interested in AI automation workflows or you need help with your business, what can they do, Craig?
Well, we've got lots of stuff going on over at flowgrammar.ca where we help businesses implement AI and business automation so they can scale faster and more reliable, get more leads, grow faster. We also have a growing community over at flowgrammars.ca where we do Flow Grammar Cafe, we do live build events, we do demo events, we get the community together online and in person several times a month to show and demo and support anybody who's trying to do this, learn automation, end-to-end AI agent building. So check all that out. We have a series of events called Flow Grammar Cafe. The next one's February 6th, March 6th, and April 2nd. We do those right now in partnership with Workhouse, and those are full day drop-in headphones, laptop, and work. And we'll have some experts on site that can help you troubleshoot. And we all kind of do a little walkthrough in the afternoon about what you're working on, and show us what you're working on and stuff. And it's really cool. So check all that out over at flowgrammar.ca and flowgrammars.ca. And coming soon, and you can sign up for this now, flowgramming.space. An AI agent and workflow marketplace where people can buy and sell agents or workflows. So if you're building agents and don't know what to do with them, where to sell them, go over there and check that out. Again, flowgramming.space. Or if you're building workflows, or if you want agents or workflows built, you can go over there and buy them. We have some interesting guarantees, and it's coming soon, so you can get your name on the waiting list right now. That's all we got going on, John. For everything else, go to torontostarts.com. I don't even think I mentioned it that whole time. Thanks everyone for watching. All the information about CES, and these interesting things. Any last words, John?
No. Check out our next episode. We're going to be talking about the weird stuff at CES. So,
all right, everyone. Thanks for watching.